Devastating
mabigat
yun
eh. Oh, mabigat talaga.
Ayun!
Eto na!
Oh!
Oh, big right hand!
Estrada
Oo,
sa Macau.
that was a good fight. That was a good fight.
Oh,
Chinese.
Welcome back mga kaboksing! Bago yan, paki-like at subscribe bilang suporta sa ating channel. Maraming salamat po. Ang pagbabalik ng ating kababayan na si Prince Albert Pagara na kung saan isang taon may kalahati na nabakante ang ating pambato. Huli nitong naging laban noong November 2022 kontra kay Alan Villanueva na tinapos nito via 4th round referee technical decision at nito nga lang June 15, 2024 ang pag-akyat muli ni Albert Pagara sa taas ng lona para ipagpatuloy ang magandang nasimulan sa boxing. Sa kasalukuyan ay may record si Pagara na 35 wins, 24 knockouts at nag-iisang talo lamang. Samantala may isang Chinese boxer ang dumayo sa Pilipinas na si Aketeleti Yelejan upang harapin ang ating pambato na si Pagara. May record ang Chinese boxer na ito na 8 wins, 3 losses at 2 knockouts. Paglalabanan ng dalawa ang bakanting IBF Asia Lightweight Belt. Ginanap ang kanilang laban sa City of Pasig, Iloilo na kung saan napalaban ng gusto ang ating pambato sa matibay na Chinese boxer.
Matter right now. Round 1 is about to begin. There you go. They touched gloves. Parehas na orthodox yung dalawang fighters. At mukhang mas matangkad ang bagya. Yung Yelejan throwing that straight jab. Tumama doon sa noo ni Albert Pagara. Yelejan step in left hook coming from Albert Pagara. It looks like his throwing and feinting some shots now. Checking what Yelejan will do. Especially sa pupunta, double jab and then right straight mula dito kay Pagara. Missed. Combination from Yelejan missed as well. Albert Pagara patawa-tawa. Albert Pagara, it looks like he's not respecting the power of Yelejan right now. He wanted to come in. He's still trying to figure out. Left hook and then right supposed to throw by Pagara but nakalayo na dun yung Yelejan. They exchange jabs. Tumatama parehas. But right now, the left jab of Albert Pagara is getting more active. Balik sa gitna ng ring. Wala masyadong footwork and head movement na pinapakita yung dalawang fighters. Still probing with their jabs. But right now, Albert Pagara changed levels now. He throws that left jab to the body. And then, sumagot naman ang combination itong si Yelejan as he throws a left jab to the body on his own. And then a combination upstairs. Tapalitan sila. And you can see how hard yung mga binibitawan dito ni Albert Pagara. He throws a combination to the body and he pushes Yelejan to the ropes. Another shot to the body coming from City of Pasig Arena in Pasig City, Iloilo. So far, Yelejan getting the better of the exchanges. Uppercut on the inside coming from Albert Pagara. Umiling si Yelejan, sabi niya, hindi tumatama. Hola amigos. What's going to happen now? Albert Pagara throwing combination. So imagine, sa lightweight na po ito, medyo mabibigat na to. Combination coming from Yelejan. Is not afraid to exchange in the pocket against the hard-hitting Pagara. Pagara throwing hooks now. But this is phone booth war. Uppercut from Pagara and then left hook. Yelejan still standing, but there's a good left to the body landed by Pagara and goes upstairs with a 1-2 but missed. It's a battle of nutrition, mga idol. Albert Pagara currently has 71% knockout win ratio against 25% of Yelejan. Dikdigan yung laban, mga idol. Hindi rin nagpapatinag. There's dalawang left hook yung binitawan doon ni Yelejan and I think that the last one landed to the body of Pagara. Is not afraid of exchanging 4-punch combination coming from Yelejan. Yung mga scores, makamay, masuntok itong si Yelejan. It looks like right now, Albert Pagara is looking to land one big punch and is not good for him. There's another left hook to the body landed by Yelejan. Hindi nag-uumpugan ng ulo rito, mga idol. Shots to the body coming from Pagara. But upstairs, yun naman ang target dito ni Yelejan. Ito, nagkakapalitan sila, idol. Mas magaganda, malilinis din yung patama ng Yelejan. 1-2 coming from Pagara. And it looks like Yelejan talking to Pagara right now. Ang tapang din. Solid din to mga idol. Nag-start na po. This is the second round. Pagara, uppercut to the body. Another one. And then he goes upstairs and the 1-2. Tumama yung ibang suntok. And Yelejan, umiling-iling. It looks like he's willing to exchange in the pocket. Phone booth war. Pukan sila rito. Good 1-2. Good combination coming from Yelejan. Puntusan. But if he's willing to exchange punches dun sa pocket, baka mamaya masigitan siya ng mga malalakas na suntok. Kasi bodega yung tinatarget dito ni Albert Pagara. But combination upstairs coming from Yelejan. Mas makamay, mas maraming binabato itong si Yelejan. Although we can say that there's no power behind it. But if Pagara will take too many of those, baka mamaya magka-epekto sa later rounds. And then 1-2 coming from Pagara, hindi tumama. Combination again coming from Yelejan. Parang ang sagutan dito, 3-1 idol Baka higit pa. Oops, nagkakaumpugan. Uppercut and then a right straight. Pagara still missing. Yelejan going downstairs and then upstairs. And then short right hook coming from Pagara missed and then he targets again the body of Yelejan. But Yelejan tries to answer. But Yelejan still willing to exchange. But there's a good right landed by Yelejan. And right now, ang ganda ng aksyon. Paalitan sila rito at mukhang tahimik yung mga tao rito sa loob ng City of Pasig Arena in Pasig City, Iloilo. Combination again coming from Yelejan. Mas maganda yung stamina dito ng Yelejan mga idol. Tumatama, pumupuntos na naman si Yelejan dito. Under a minute left, 45 seconds left. Let's see what's going to happen. Yelejan continues to push forward now. Albert Pagara looking for shots to the body. Left hook to the body landed by Albert Pagara, but there's a good left hook upstairs coming from Yelejan. Left hook and then right. And then another one. Combination coming from Yelejan. Scoring points. And then umpugan sila ng ulo. Referee letting the fight continue, of course, not giving warning. Na baka mamaya magkaroon ng accidental clash of heads. Palitan pa rin sila as we go down to the final second. And this is the first, so far, this is the first round na nakita natin na aktibo ng maaga itong si Albert Pagara. And this is the fourth round. So far, my unofficial scorecard, I have it 30-27 in favor of the Chinese fighter. First minute, nakatama na magandang combination si Albert Pagara. It looks like he hurt Yelejan dun sa bodega. But eto, Albert Pagara pushing Yelejan to the ropes, but Yelejan answering while he's on the ropes. Combinations upstairs. Uppercut from Pagara. It looks like Pagara is looking for that punch dun sa liver or regardless kahit sa kanang yung mukha nito. Mukhang matigas yung mukha ng Yelejan mga idol. Good jab and then the double jab and then right straight, but the right straight missed coming from Yelejan. Nagsisilipan sila mga idol. Uppercut from Pagara, but there's a good two-piece combination upstairs coming from Yelejan. Yelejan coming alive here in the final 30 seconds, but there's a good short right coming from Pagara, but no power behind it. Yelejan combination here as he pushes Pagara to the ropes. Pagara biglang kumambyo. Siya naman yung tumulak, but there's a good left hook mula dito kay Yelejan. So, round number 5. Here we go. Let's see what's going to happen. Mukhang paubos na hangin. Hindi ko lang alam kung ilang rounds. I know, round number 5. Pagara tries to go in. He throws that short left hook to the body. Atras si Yelejan. And the only way for Pagara to land some shots is kung makikipagpalitan sa loob itong si Yelejan. Right coming from Pagara. Pagara coming alive early minute here. And eto, niyayaya na naman ni Pagara si Yelejan na pumasok sa loob. But Yelejan using his reach advantage now to fight on the outside throw. Left straight jab and then a right hook. But eto, pumasok si Pagara. Pagara to the body. And then he goes upstairs now. Pero nagpagpag ng kamay. Etong si Yelejan, sabi niya, napapagod na akong kasusuntok sa'yo. There's a good talaga yun ng Siko. Yelejan using his footwork. He love to fight on the outside now. He's not letting Pagara go papasukin yung kanyang depensa. Left hook too far away coming from Pagara. Yelejan using his jabs now. Fighting on the outside. This is his advantage. This is his range. Hindi makapasok yung Pagara. Wala na masyadong footwork para mabigat na rin yung paa ng Pagara. Every time na pumapasok, umaatras lamang po. There's a good double jab and then right straight coming from Yelejan. And then another 1-2 coming from Yelejan. Pero sabi ni Pagara, yun na lang din ba ang kaya mo? Pagara tries to come in. But Yelejan is using his footwork to avoid being cornered by Pagara. So far, this is a good round for Yeleja. There's a good uppercut on the outside coming from Yelejan. 1-2, and then there's a good left hook to the body coming from Yelejan. 1-2 upstairs, blocked. Pagara hindi pa nakatama rito na maayos because right now, Yelejan knows that if he fights on the outside, hindi umaabot yung Pagara. 1-2 from Pagara, missing. Papasok si Pagara but nakaatras yung Yelejan. And the only way for Pagara to land is to go and make sure that paalitan sila dun sa loob. But Yelejan right now tries to work from the outside. He's outworking Pagara now. But there's a good shot coming from Pagara. Answered by Yelejan. Good. Yelejan, tinutukuran niya rin si Pagara, mga idol. This is a good fight. Magulang din yung Yelejan, mga idol. I have it 49-46 in favor of Yelejan. Round number 6 na tayo, mga idol. Kung hindi tatama sa vital part ng pagmumuka at bodega nitong si Yelejan, hindi basta-basta. Kanina sa round number 4, nasakta na siya. Double jab and then right straight from ni Yelejan. At ngayon nakanganga na yung Pagara, mga idol. Atake sana si Pagara but wisely atras si Yelejan. Inaantay niya mag-commit itong si Pagara and I can see him throwing that left and then uppercut. Ayun na naman tinatimingan ng Yelejan. Good shot coming from Yelejan, and so far Yelejan is here to dominate now here in round number 6. So far, another left and then a right coming from Yelejan, and then he goes downstairs to the body. Naku, mga idol, pagka ganito, ayun na, pumapasok na yung Yelejan at paisa-isa na lamang yung suntok ng Pagara, mga idol. Patuloy silang palitan dito, and Yelejan doesn't respect the power of Pagara. Sabi niya siguro pagod na yung Pagara. Magandang gabi, Bronox Banyola. Ito na, idol. I have it 49. Tama ba? 50, 59, 50, 59. Sorry. Bilang na lamang po. It looks like he's looking for that one big home run punch. Pero, Yelejan using his footwork, using his range to avoid fighting on the... Here we go. Round number 7. Let's see what's going to happen. Pagara. Let's see kung makukuha niya yung second akin ng Yelejan, mga idol. There's a good left hook and then right coming from Yelejan. Yelejan is the one landing here. Parehas na rin na magamaga yung mga mukha nila, no? Because of those punches. Kailangan bumalik sa style itong si Yelejan if he wanted to win. He's letting Albert Pagara do his work and maybe maya-maya papagurin niya halfway mark ng round at doon na siya umaatake. There's a good left hook coming from Yelejan pero tumama yung kanan na yun. Medyo madulas. Muntik madulas si Yelejan. Palitan pa rin sila rito. Phone booth war. Mas makamay. Tinatapon talaga yung Yelejan. Double left hook coming from Yelejan. Nagpagpag. Nagtagtag. Si Pagara, there's a good combination again coming from Yelejan pero tumama rin yung 1-2 coming from Pagara. The exchange as we go down to the final minute of round number 7. Loose tape on the right gloves of Yelejan using his footwork, using the ring to avoid being cornered by Pagara. And ito, nahirapan ng humabol si Pagara. Pagod na rin, mga idol. As we go down to the final 20 seconds of round number 7. Body shot again coming from Pagara as he goes upstairs, trying to close the gap. But Yelejan using his footwork again and then throws combination from the outside. Hinahayaan niya magtrabaho rito si Pagara at alam niya pagod na, ano? Sumasandal-sandal na lang yun din yung Pagara. Yelejan. Ito na naman, babawi na naman siya rito, pasikwat-sikwat ng kaliwa mga idol. And then another one, there's a short right hook coming from Yelejan. Gustong yumakap ng Pagara, there's a combination coming from Yelejan. Cover na naman yung Pagara mga idol. Bakbakan talaga laro ni Pagara. Mark, commentary lang. Pasensya mga idol, commentary lang tayo. Bawal tayo mag-video. Overhand right mula kay Pagara. Tumama yung combination mula dito kay Legend. And then balik siya sa distansya. And then umpuga na naman. Gustong lumapit ng Pagara pero nauunahan siya rito ng Legend. Medyo mabigat na. Mabigat na yung mga gloves ni Pagara mga idol. Legend too quick to pull the trigger as he connected 3-punch combination and then a short. There's a good overhand right landed by Pagara pero pa isa-isa na lang. Parang pagod na yung Pagara mga idol. Ngayon, wala. Mga hindi marunong maghanap. Pasensya, 79-73. That's what I have, brother. And the para sa akin, unofficial scorecard downs now against Yelejan. Akiteleti Yelejan still on his feet. But right now, Pagara throws his jab. Pagara is no longer setting up his power punches. But right now, this is my previous round. But right now, we can see Albert Pagara throwing that left jab. Pikit na rin yung kaliwang mata ng Pagara idol magana. And then another 1-2 coming from Yelejan. Himala, pero yung palitan na nakanganga na yung Pagara mga idol. Ito pumapasok na at mukhang si Yelejan na yung gustong pumasok dito. Pero wise enough, he doesn't need. Combination coming from Yelejan and then the good shot to the body again. Atras. Ito pumapasok na yung Yelejan. Wala na magawa yung Albert Pagara mga idol. Body shots coming from Yelejan. Pasagot ng isa si Pagara. It looks like Pagara right now is being overwhelmed. Papasok yung Yelejan mga idol. Pagod na yung Pagara. Pinupukpok na, pinupulbos na. Nitong si Yelejan. Good right coming from Yelejan. Yung Pagara. Meron pa tayong 40 seconds. Round number 9. Mas malabo pa sa blurred. Yeah, yung Pagara. Pagara still has the strength, still has the power and stamina to score knockdowns or take out itong si Yelejan. Yung mga suntok ni Pagara, Yelejan is no longer respecting the power of Pagara. This is the 135-pound division. So iba na to. Iba na to mga idol, mabibigat na. I think so too. Grabe, bugbog si magana rin yung kaliwa. Headlock mula kay Pagara. Pagod na rin si Pagara mga idol. Tingnan natin kung kaya pa. Chopping right mula kay Pagara. Yelejan. Siya naman yung nag-headlock dito. And then combination as he land a short right. Patawa-tawa as we go down to the final seconds now.
Panalo si Albert Pagara via 10th round majority decision at matagumpay na nakuha ang IBF Asia Lightweight Belt. Anong masasabi mo sa naging laban ng ating kababayan? At hanggang sa muli mga kaboksing, paki-like at subscribe na rin para sa ganitong mga laban. Maraming salamat po.